Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm making balloon animals. I have no idea why I decided I want to do this, I just think it'd be quite fun. Oh, this is so stupid. Oh god, what am I doing? Oh, it's still going. I can't even get it on the camera. Still going. Okay, I think that's done. Okay, now I've just got to tie the ends. Boom. Okay, his back legs are way too short and his front legs are too long, but conceptually, I've made some progress. Okay, let's try that again. Balloon animal number 3. So it's said to leave a little bit of space before the end of the balloon so it doesn't pop. So I'm going to do that this time. I'm going to just come all the way back here so you can... God, I don't know why this is so funny to me, but I just find it quite fun. Okay, so I'm going to leave that a little bit at the end to kind of take the space. Okay, so now I need to tie the end of the balloon, which is probably the hardest bit of the whole thing, to be honest. I kind of broke the balloon, it's starting to unfurl. But if you... Oh no. Okay, I can save this. Can I save this? Okay, if you... Okay. I've got half a dog. Okay. I've got the head and the front legs of the dog. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to call this a day because this is so noisy. I want to have one more try. I'll have one more try. Okay, just for context, I think I have about 100 balloons here for making balloon animals. That was just like the cheapest one I could find on Amazon that was like actual like good balloons designed for making balloon animals. So I'm gonna have to make a lot of balloon animal videos to use all these. So let me know if you want to see a few more of these and I'll make some. I think I'll try and make some more complicated ones. And I'll also probably just take these home and just blow up a load to whack people with, really. Okay. Attempt number... I don't know what attempt this is, but I can do this. And perfect. And we've done it. So this is the giraffe. So, yeah, this is all the balloon animals I'm going to make today. But I'll probably do some more sometime. I might... if you're one of my friends and you want me to make a balloon animal for you, next time I come over, I should absolutely bring a balloon animal. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.